Unity Day at El Puente Academy is a celebration of unity, creativity, and community. It's a day when we come together to learn, share, and grow. Prepare to immerse yourself in the heart of El Puente Academy's enduring legacy, a treasured tradition that has thrived for over 2 decades. This remarkable event transcends the ordinary. It's a day when our close-knit community unites, forging deep connections while delighting in the rich tapestry of shared experiences. This celebration goes beyond being merely an event. It's a day where our community comes together, sharing in the spirit of togetherness, sharing food, knowledge, and joy, all in an effort to fortify the ties that bind us. During Unity Day, an array of workshops take center stage, each a unique creation born from the collective passion of our staff and students. These workshops stem from diverse inspirations, such as classroom discussions, club activities, and even impromptu ideas sparked by our dedicated educators. Some workshops, like those exploring the complex issues in Palestine and Gaza, originate from the students' own questions and concerns. These topics are brought to life through art and education, fostering critical thinking and empathy. Our talented teaching artist, Sylvia Hernandez, consistently leads a workshop centered around creativity, often involving patchwork or quilting. Her passion infuses each workshop with a sense of artistic exploration and self-expression. Additionally, we invite partners like Brainpower Wellness, who share their expertise with our community. They bring meditation and mindfulness sessions, offering valuable tools for relaxation and focus. But that's not all. El Puente Academy hosts a series of arts events throughout the year, each with its own theme and purpose. Unity Day is more than just a single event. It's a reflection of our commitment to community engagement. It's a day when students and staff come together, not just to plan and prepare, but to create something that embodies our mission, inspiring and nurturing leadership. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to welcoming you to our future events.